Okay, so very good morning everyone. We have learned till now about the money. Addition, we have started with the conversion of rupees into paise or paise into rupees. After then we have learned how to add the rupees and paise together or separately. After then we learn how to subtract, okay, and then how to multiply. So till now we have learned up to this much, and after then whatever we have is some word problems and quick revision, some value based questions, some additional questions which we will discuss. Before that, we have one of the most important activity in your chapter, in this particular chapter, which is related to the total price of your all books and copies which we have. So everyone, first of all, take out your page number 97 and do that activity. So page number 97 activity. So in this activity, nothing to do. You have to just check the cost of each books which we have and some of the copies also. So first which we have is maths book. So just there is in maths book, you can check the price of the math book which will be behind the book. Book के पीछे या तो आगे रहेगा. हाँ, you can check here. It is 270 rupees. Okay, 270 rupees. So simply you have to write the price here in the book itself. तो book में ही आपको बनाना है. So price you have to write in rupees. So in rupees it will be 270 rupees. In the same way, after then it is asking the cost of your English book. So English books cost. So you have to check the cost of the English book which we have and you have to write here. Okay. In the same way, next it is asking about the science book. So science books you don't have, you can consider the EVS book which we have. So EVS book is also there. So science book you can skip because you don't have science book. We have EVS book separately. So we will keep for EVS book. Or in science you can write you can mention for GK also. So if you are doing in book, you just cross that science book, or you can left it because we don't have any science book. So English book, you write whatever the cost of English book, then you write whatever the cost of EVS book, Hindi book, then notebooks, total notebooks, whatever you have, and you can write the total cost of the notebook, and then total pen. The cost of pen, it is not read, it might be not written in your pen. So you can check with the, or you can aware about it because you or your parents has brought it. तो आपके parents या आपको पता है what is the cost of your pen. तो पेन का जो प्राइस है या पेंसिल का जो प्राइस है वो लिखेंगे. पेन अगर है तो लिखेंगे, नहीं है तो उसको ब्लैंक रखेंगे. एंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ पेंसिल्स वट एवर यू हैव, जितनी भी पेंसिल्स है उसका टोटल कॉस्ट हम लोग यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. एंड यू हैव टू चेक द टोटल कॉस्ट फाइनली बाय एडिंग ऑल द कॉस्ट ऑफ ऑल द बुक्स, राइट. तो इस तरह से ये एक्टिविटी को कंप्लीट करके आपको देखने हैं कि व्हाट इज द टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ द बुक्स, copies and pencils or whatever it is asking, whatever you have the study material. जो भी आपके पास स्टडी मटेरियल है वो सारे स्टडी मटेरियल को लेके टोटल कॉस्ट क्या हो रहा है ये आपको कैलकुलेट करना है और इसको कैलकुलेट करके आपको चेक करना है और बताना है. So quickly everyone tell me what is the total cost coming. Total cost may be vary student to student vary कर सकता है because क्योंकि हो सकता है किसी के पास कॉपीज ज्यादा हो सकता है किसी के पास पेंसिल्स ज्यादा हो सकता है किसी के पास कॉस्टली पेन हो, किसी के पास ज्यादा पेन हो, तो उस हिसाब से ज्यादा वेरिएंस नहीं होगा. अगर इफ वी टेक द कॉस्ट ऑफ बुक्स ओनली देन इट विल कम सेम. सो बुक्स का कॉस्ट अगर चेक करोगे, क्योंकि सबने बुक्स एक ही यहीं से लिए हैं, एक ही शॉप से लिए हैं या स्कूल से ही लिए हैं, सो ये total जो है it may become same. And check everyone what is the total coming and tell me quickly in message. Okay, so previous no doubts, शो नो डाउट्स। सभी को बोर्ड क्लियरली दिख रहा है? बोर्ड देखने में किसी को कुछ दिक्कत हो रहा है? एनीवन फेसिंग एनी प्रॉब्लम इन आई मीन सीइंग द बोर्ड? बोर्ड देखने में क्लियर दिखाई दे रहा है सबको? नो, ओके, नो नो, बोर्ड क्लियर नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है? लेट मी सी। क्लियर तो दिखाई दे रहा है, बोर्ड क्लियर दिखाई दे रहा है, चेक कीजिए तो मैम। Okay, some of the students are saying yes, yes, yes. Okay, doubts no. Okay, then so what is the total coming? What is the total cost coming in this? कितना आ रहा है total cost? Because I don't have the others book, दूसरा books नहीं है, so I am not aware about the cost of these all books. I will check, I can check it out and after then I can tell, or you can just simply check all the cost and just add all the things. This is especially based on the simple addition only. I am giving an example. For example, we have taken the cost for mathematics book is rupees 270. I am taking an example. I am not telling the correct one. So suppose the cost of English book. So cost of English book is suppose rupees 250 decimal 50. Decimal 50 I have taken because this chapter is based on rupees and paise only. So ये chapter totally based है rupees and paise पे ही. So that is why I have taken 250 rupees and 50 paise. So and then suppose I am taking the cost of EVS book. So suppose the cost of EVS book I am taking is rupees, suppose rupees 230 rupees and 30 paise. 30 paise. So decimal के बाद जो भी है that is in paise. And after then maths, English, EVS, GK book which we have and Hindi book which we have. So suppose Hindi book. So suppose the cost of Hindi book is, for example, I am taking. So 200, suppose 200 rupees and 50 paise. So in this way, if you add these all now, अभी सारा अगर add करोगे, how you will add? So here there is no any paise, so decimal 00, and now you can add very simply. अभी simply आप इसको add कर सकते हो, whatever the sum will come, that will be the total cost. So इसी तरह से आपको इसमें जो दिया हुआ है एक्टिविटी में, that also you have to do. So add करने के लिए simply हम लोग add करेंगे 0 0 0 0. So 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. So 13 is 3, 1 carry, right? So 1 carry. So now here, this is the line which is going on 0. So 1, okay. Then 3, 5 plus 3 is, sorry, 7 plus 3 I am taking 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. So 15 is 5, 1 carry. So 1 carry, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. So 9. So this is how in this example it is coming 951 rupees 30 paise. ये एग्जाम्पल के हिसाब से मेरा जो प्राइस आ रहा है 951 rupees 30 पैसे आ रहा है. So this is how you have to check the exact price or exact the total cost of your books whatever you have, right? Except that if we revise once about the value based questions or miscellaneous exercise questions which we have in this chapter, those are all already based on the topics which we have learned earlier. अभी इससे पहले जो भी हम लोग ने पढ़ाई किया है उसी के बेस पे हमारा जो मैस्कुलिनियस एक्सरसाइज का क्वेश्चन सारे हैं वो है, ठीक है. तो चलिए हम लोग कुछ मैस्कुलिनियस एक्सरसाइज से क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करते हैं. लेट अस डिस्कस सम क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू द एमई नाउ. So in the activity, anyone having any doubts? In the activity, no one have any doubts? Okay. So let's move to the miscellaneous exercise questions. So ME first question which it is there is ME question number 1. It is asking is 45 paise less than 45 paise less than the triple of rupees 30 is equal to how much? So very simple question. First thing, it is asking 45 paise less. 45 paise less means you have to subtract 45 paise. Then the triple of rupees 30. So triple means we know is multiply by 3. Double means multiply by 2. Triple means multiply by 3. So triple of rupees 30 is equal to how much? That first you have to check. So triple of rupees 30 means rupees 30 multiply 3, so rupees 90. So triple of 30 rupees is rupees 90, and now it is asking 45 paise less. So here not rupees, so 45 paise less than that. So 45 paise, first you can convert that into rupees so that you can subtract easily, or very simply you can just check it out. If 45 paise less than 90 means 89 rupees and 89 rupees and rest of all 45 plus how much is equal to 100. That from 100 paise you have to subtract 45 and whatever that will be the required answer, right? 55, right? So 55. So 89 rupees and 55 paise directly if you do. But if you do with the calculation, then 45 paise means rupees 0.45. So rupees 0.45 you have to subtract from rupees 90. Okay. So if you subtract this, then so here it is asking 45 paise less than that. So 45 paise less than the triple of rupees 30 is equal to, so rupees 90 decimal 00, there is no any paise, so minus rupees 0.45. Just you subtract this, it will come how much? If you subtract here, do the subtraction in rough work. So here we have 90.00 and here we have 0.45. So if you subtract this, it will be 5, then again 5, then here 89. So rupees 89.55. So rupees 89.55 will be the answer. So very simply, this is the thing which you need to understand, that triple of 30 means 90 rupees and less than 45 paise. So 45 paise if you subtract from 30, then definitely, sorry, if from 90 if you subtract 45, then it will be 89.55 paise only, right? So if you understand this, you can very easily subtract here and just find out the result. So which option is this? Which option is this which we have here? It is in paise. So here we have in paise. So if you want, you can convert in paise also. So it will be 8955 paise. So 8955 paise or 8955 paise. Or very simply you can subtract here also. You can convert this also directly into the paise, and after this converting into paise you can subtract this much. तो ये भी कर सकते हो. ये कैसे कर सकते हो? Let us see in that process also. So triple of this means 90 rupees. So now 90 rupees here, instead of converting paise into rupees, we can convert rupees into paise also. तो रुपीज इंटू पैसे कन्वर्ट करके भी हम लोग कर सकते हैं, वो भी देखते हैं कैसे कर सकते हैं. सो हियर यहाँ पे जो है, यहाँ पे फिर हमारा हो जाएगा 90 रुपीज मीन्स 90 इंटू 100. सो हाउ मच पैसे? इट विल बी 90 इंटू 100 to write, otherwise it may be wrong. तो यूनिट लिखना जरूरी है, either पैसे और rupees, right? So this is how you can do the second one also. 12 rupees more than. So here it is asking 12 rupees more, so you have to add. So 12 rupees more than 12 rupees more than the double of 80 paise. So here the double of 80 paise means how many paise? 80 multiply 2 paise. Okay, so this is the question which we have. 12 rupees more means 12 rupees you have to add, then the double of 80. So double of 80 first you have to find out. So double of 80 paise is equal to 80 paise multiplied 2. So 8 to 16, 160 paise, right? So 160 paise means 1 rupees 60 paise. So 1 rupees 60 paise, if you write in rupees, it will be 1 rupees 60 paise, right? So the options is in rupees. So very simply you have to add from 12 rupees. 12 rupees more than that. So 12 rupees more is equal to rupees 12 plus 1 rupees 1 decimal 60. So it will be rupees 13 decimal 60 means 13 rupees 60 paise. So 13 rupees 60 paise is which option? First options, right? So options A will be the correct answer. So this is how very simply you can solve. Yes, 13 decimal 60 is the correct answer. Very nice. So the rest of all I hope you all can do by yourself, because the rest of all are not so much difficult. Question number 3 is asking 40 paise more than the double of this. So do this one everyone by yourself and tell me what will be the answer. The next question which we have is third one. Third one is asking third question of miscellaneous exercise. Third question of miscellaneous exercise is asking 40 paise more than. The question is 40 paise more than the double of rupees 105 is equal to how much? So rupees 105's double of rupees 105, 40 paise more. So first you have to check the double of 105 means 105 multiply 2, and then 40 paise more it is asking means you have to add 40 paise, right? You have to add 40 paise. So first double of rupees 105 means rupees 105 multiplied 2. So if you multiply this, it will be 5 2 are 10, 0, 1 carry. So 2001, okay, and 2 1 are 2. So 210 rupees. So double of 105 means 210 rupees. Then 40 paise more. So 40 paise you have to add. So 40 paise more than rupees 210 is equal to 210 plus 40 paise. So it will be rupees 210 and 40 paise. Very simply this will be the answer. Which options we have? 210 decimal 40 is option number B. Okay, so option number B will be the correct answer, right? So this is how very simply you can do this type of questions. Okay, yes, option number B. Yes, 210 decimal 40, correct answer. Okay, so in this way we can do the rest of all questions of the miscellaneous exercise. Question number 2 is very easy because this is matching, question related to the matching. So यहाँ पे इस तरह का क्वेश्चन हमने ऑलरेडी कर लिया है in the exercise. So these are not so much difficult. So let us do some of the questions from question number 2. कुछ questions हम लोग बनाने की कोशिश करते हैं. So here as like first one is done for you, second one it is asking 42 rupees 25 paise. So how you will write this in figure? That is the simple question. It is given in word, you have to write in figure, that's all. So if you write in figure, it will be rupees 42, then after decimal you will write the paise, so 25 paise, right? So this is how you can write this. So wherever this one is 42.25, you have to match with that. So in this way you have to check and match with the correct options of question number 2, right? So up to these questions you can do in book also 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 everyone do quickly in the book. जल्दी से इसको बना लें. And after then if you look go to the question number 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 are based on addition and subtraction. So you have done a lot of addition and subtractions. So I am not going to discuss those all. So these all are the task of your homework. And after then some word problems are there. So these also you all need to do in your homework. If you not able to do, we will discuss in our next class the rest of all word problems and all. So that's all for today. Your homework is to do the miscellaneous exercise of chapter number 8. Okay. So homework is to do ME of chapter number 8. Your classwork was discuss the questions related to ME and activity. Okay. So done activity and discussed questions of ME. Okay, so that's all for today. If anyone having any doubts, you can ask related to the ME. Okay, so whatever you have learned till now, if anyone having any doubts, you can ask quickly. Okay then, rest of all we will discuss in our next class. Thank you everyone. Bye bye, have a good time.